So how to sell affiliate products on your website. So if you have been thinking about making money online and really leveraging the power of affiliate marketing on your website, then this is the video for you. Hey everyone, Matt Giaro here, and I help content creators and knowledge workers identify their passion and their expertise so that they can build a business around it. And on this channel, I do a lot of strategy and video tips just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So, you have a website and you want to promote affiliate products, but the thing is how to do that. So the first thing you have to ask yourself is, what is your website all about? Okay, and then basically what you have to come up with, if you have to brainstorm different offers that would make sense to the audience that is currently visiting your website. Okay, so you have to brainstorm, and what are the different things that you could brainstorm? So first, the physical products. Okay, so physical products. Okay, and usually it depends on your niche, but basically the way to go will be Amazon. Okay, you can also brainstorm for digital products. Okay, and this are basically going to be online courses, basically will be online courses, and then it could be audio programs, it could be video programs, but it could also be, for example, ebooks. Okay, then you could also promote, for example, services. Okay, and then basically getting an affiliate link to promote those kind of services that are related to your website that you already have. Or you could also promote software as a tools services, which means basically like any kind of software or tools that may be relevant to the audience that you already have on your website. Okay, so this is the first step. So it's really brainstorming. Oh, let me just write that down here. So brainstorming. Okay, I have a bad handwriting, but I guess that you got it. So this is the first stage. So the second stage, if you want to sell affiliate products on your website, is to really see how you'll be able to position and really get organic traffic. So doing like an SEO audit and basically see what could be interesting and what kind of keywords you can rank for, right? So basically you will go for keywords that have more than one or two words, what it's called basically the long tail keywords. Okay, that will be able to really help you to position yourself on Google in an easy way. Okay, so this is basically the second step. And the third step is you're going to basically do a review. So you can do reviews, you can do comparisons, okay, of the products. And you can also do, let's say, for example, giving your personal opinion about it, okay, and then basically telling and then writing an article and then tell people if they want to know more about that. Well, there is an affiliate link that they can use in order to get basically the product at a special price, maybe at a discount. Or what you can also do, and which works pretty well, is giving them an incentive to buy from your affiliate link. So obviously it depends if basically the price point, if it's like a digital product or if it's like a physical product, you'll not be you'll not really work your butt off in order just to promote, let's say, just to get a $2 commission, right? You're usually going to do this on higher commissions program, where you may offer them a course where you walk them through. For example, let's go back up here. For example, if you offer them if you give them, for example, an affiliate link for a software as a service, for a software that they can use, usually software pay a pretty good amount of commission. So you could basically offer them a free training. Okay, if they're going through your affiliate link. Same goes for digital products. They all usually have like a good commission. So yeah, this is basically something that you have to brainstorm what depending on the niche and also the audience that you have. But this works basically pretty well. So always try to give them an incentive and make so that they can really buy from your affiliate link. Okay, so this is basically the key, and this will also help you to generate a lot of commission and make really people and your audience like really go through your link because they know that they are going to get something in return. Okay, and always, like, just a quick disclaimer, also be clear about that's an affiliate link and that it will not basically raise the cost for them, and that if they use their affiliate link, it will basically help and support your business. So this is when you have like a good, strong relationship with your audience. This is basically also the way to go. And if you got any value from this video, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, and also check out my other video about how to create an audience, because this is basically the key if you want to do affiliate marketing the right way. You'll just have a video that's popping up on the screen. And also don't forget, in the description you have basically a link to my email list. So every day I send out an email at 10 a.m. Eastern with a tip that will help you to create an online business around your passion and your expertise. So with that being said, thank you for watching. I see you in the next video, and also inside your inbox at 10 a.m. Eastern.